I have spent my life traveling the globe, seeking oddities and mysteries that science cannot explain. I have studied the unknown and investigated the eldritch. Here before you lies the results of my life's work, my Menagerie and Oddities Emporium. I welcome you all to observe my collection of the strange and mysterious. Before my assistants allow you to enter, I must warn you, do not touch any of the objects that are displayed. I would like to conduct an experiment. If you do, countless horrors may befall you. So now, assistants, lead the way. Why are you here?
I need to go forward. I can't stay here.
So you say, yet here you are. And as of now, you have no way home.
You haven't the slightest idea of what they are truly capable of.
You're wrong. They're capable of nothing.
You studied under him for so long, yet you never truly understood, did you?
I knew enough that it was all worthless.
Then still, you are blind.
Good evening, my esteemed guests. My name is Professor Crow.
I only have one question. What year is this?